Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you, should I hire a lawyer after a minor car accident? Follow these 4 steps. Always exchange driver information even when in a minor car accidents. Be sure to take photos of all cars involved in the accident. Get yourself checked out for injuries as soon as possible. If you are injured, call a car accident lawyer. You are sitting at the red light after a long day. You reach down to change the radio station when bam, you have been hit by another driver who was not paying attention. You both step out of your cars to assess the damage. You both feel fine and your cars have very minor damage. It has been a very long day, so you decide not to call the police to find a report or exchange any information between the two of you. Hi, do you really need to hire a lawyer after a minor car accident? Do you really need to make a big fuss about all this? Maybe we can just forget the whole thing and go on about our day. After all, you want to get home. The last thing you need is to wait on the side of the road. Inconvenience all these other drivers and sit here frustrated and emotional, so you leave. That was your first mistake and the biggest mistake you could have made. In most states, failing to file a police report after a car accident, even it is just a fender bender, is illegal. It becomes a capital offense when you get in your car and drive away. It does not matter if you don't think you were injured or if the vehicle did not sustain damage. An accident is still an accident, even if it's only a minor car accident. Also, once you have left the scene of a car accident, it becomes so much more difficult to get the facts straight. Even a minor car accidents become murky. So, whether or not you want to hire a lawyer after a minor car accident, consider this moment right here. You should think about calling the police before leaving the scene. Aside from the legalities of the issues, you may have just ruined any potential claim you may have against to the other driver. Even if there is no damage to your car, here is the problem. Hidden injuries. Studies have shown that there are several injuries a person can sustain in minor car accidents that don't show up for days after the incident. You get hit from behind, you are barely jolted and you feel fine. You have no obvious injury and you would know if we hurt would it not do you. Not always. People often think of injuries as broken bones, lacerations and even death. Trauma. Our minds turn to serve life-altering conditions. We don't often consider strained tendons, structured ligaments, or constituents, but we should. If your body went forward, your neck shaped back, or you moved forward in a sudden manner, you may wake up with severe back pain tomorrow or the next day. The borderline following an accident can mask an injury most for durable personal injury. Lawyers will tell you to see a doctor as soon as possible to ensure you are not suffering from hidden injuries. If you drive away from the scene and fail to make a report with either the police or your insurance or both, you will have a difficult time taking your personal injury to court even if you have a medical personnel on your side. The other guy, what if you exchange information with the other driver, shake hand and go about your business without reporting the minor car accident to the police? Several weeks later, you are summoned to court because the other guy has filed their own claim against you. You know they were at fault, and you know that the injuries they are claiming and the property damage they say you case are exaggerated, if not downright false. Remember, when you choose to drive away without a report, you live now stepped solidly into a they say type of situation. In truth, most of these type of suits will not get very far. After all, the other guy left the sense too. But do you really want to deal with the hassle and time it is going to take to answer the summons, potentially appear for hearing and argue on your behalf you you know you were in the right? Chances are you have better things to do.